Here, this is another tutorial. In this moment, we must to change the size, the color, and all properties, the model file and the model file of Blender, for example, to 8thwall, and how to test and what is the best workflow. This is the project. In this moment is this, and the result in GLB is this in GLB, and the only thing that you must to do is, this is the best file, you put in model in this thing, and the model is this. You must to change the name 10, and if you put this, you must to create account or login in Boot Digital Glasses Files body if you want to test. Is good the thing, and the glass blender is 10, and the glass blender is 10 is good, but in this moment the glass is this, and if you know, the preview is this. Glass is the name correctly that this is the preview. Is this. If you know, if it changes, if this is not changed, don't worry, save and build. I think is the connection of internet, I think, and this is this connection of internet, I think. The connection. Okay. Is the connection. No. Is this the glasses? And if you want to keep the glasses, it's very easy. You rename, you copy the glasses, and put in this moment this name, for example, and in this moment this is the glass blender 10, I think. If you don't know, it is the glass blender, and if you must to change, rename and Control V to copy. It's very good. And this is the glass, and in this moment you must to save and build, and the name is glass, and this preview is good, I think. My internet is not very good. This is the reason that there are very lag my internet, but you must to work better, I think, if you have a better internet, I think. Is this? If you don't work, don't worry, it's very easy to change. In this moment, save and build, and if the internet, and if you you like land, and this is published with the other persons. It's good. If you don't work and not preview, it's good land. And put the change, for example 10 land files, and in this moment if you landing, the preview is good and it changed the glasses, for example, and it's very good to test. I must landing. It is landing, very good, and the preview is here. And this in this moment is good. I think. My internet is not very good. This is the result. You can change the how to do. Change the size is very good. In this case, no, you can't change the size, but the best form to change the size, the color, the size, for example, is easy. The size and the color you must to do in Blender. Only you must to do is this resize all, for example this, and this you must to do this, and if you export to GLB, you export and put this and change the name to glass and save change, and you can change the size, the color, or all things. If you change some things, you must to export to GLB and put to the 8thwall previewer, and it's very good to do. If you can't, and if you don't like the illumination, for example, don't worry the size, but you maybe change the position. You must to save and export. It's easy, but in this moment I think it's good. It's good for now, and is this for all. And the body is this. The body is the most important thing. A stem, head, occluder. This is very good. The name is glass.glb. This is the thing that reconnect the glass.glb. You can change the name. For example, glass 808 GLB on all things. And this is the direction of folders. And other thing is this is the scale, the position, but this thing is very good for now. You can change, but I think in Blender is more easy because this is numbers, but you can change in this the position, but I think it's good. And an entity is the light. In this thing I put the directional lights that chase the GLB model, in this case glass, I think, and it's very good. intensity 20 if is 1 is lower, and is this. The color is white, but you can change the color of the illumination. It's very good, and the color is very easy to do. But this is the coding aframe.io. If you have any questions, in Aframe is very good, or questions of YouTube is very easy to do. For example, light. There are a lot of lights. In this case is directional, and the directional is the same in Blender. Is the same, but change little things is the thing. Look is very good, and other thing, if you have a lot good in this case, you must to know what is the things that you change. For example, the body, the glass. If you change the glass, you must to go to filecilla, for example. You go to filecilla, go this, view digital, and in this case, view digital, public, and go to glasses, and go to Pablo. The thing good that I change is this, prueba 7, and this is the index.html, and in the assets, if you change the model, the only thing that you must to do is this glass put to this, put to this, and change to glass. The prueba 7, the index is this. The index is very easy. If you must to download, it's very easy. I downloaded yet. It's very good. Good. This is all. Entonces, this is, you must to go this, and then go there, and if you download prueba 7, this is very good, that the index.html is all. If you change all of body point HTML, is very good, that you can change the ICE10, for example. This is all, the index.html. This is head, this is body, but all is all in one script. This is the head, then this is very good, and the body, this is the body this, and you if change the directional, for example, you can copy all this, A10, copy all, or a little thing, and paste this correspond that the change is very good, and you can change all, it's very good. And then if you change a little things, and you know that the things that the SRC head occluder is good, and is the same assets model glass.glb, and you must to put this the model this. In models, in glass.glb, you can modify. If you can change the model other, you can do this glass. You can change and put glass this, for example. It's good. Goodbye.